best part of it, it was not a learning session. We were enjoying the program entire day until the courage and the confidence what has been inbuilt in us by through this program, which has made us possible to walk on the glass, to walk on the fire. That was amazing. It is requested to our HR department to get this program done for our juniors as well, as so the trust and the confidence can be increased to in them.
This is a fantastic program which I have ever attended so far.
Very nice and splendid manner by our Professor Rathore. Hats off to our HR giving me an opportunity to be present here. Still, I have not come out of this momentum. I'm happy to join once again.
This program number of days should be increased, maybe for instead of 2 days it should be 4 days, 5 days, and next one such programs should be along with the wives, along with the spouses.
ये जो प्रोग्राम हुआ, इस प्रोग्राम में हमने सीखा, मतलब चक्र, शिव चक्र के बारे में जो सीखा हमने, चक्रस के बारे में, जो हमारे को मैनेजमेंट की तरफ, हाउ टू मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप के बारे में जो उसका जो जड़ है वो इस चक्र के थ्रू है। ये पहली बार हमने सीखा और हमने वो इससे जो एनलाइटमेंट लिया है। आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी एंड लकी दैट आई गॉट दिस प्रोग्राम।
अब कल का सबर नहीं होगा, आज का जुनू अभी होगा, ऐसे उड़ा भर जाना है बस कदम।
Help me in improving my personal life and help me also. And another thing, walking on a glass and a firewalk are the two unique concepts.
अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं।
The program here today, there are 2-3 good parts. One is I met friends and spent quality time with them. Second thing is able to channelize, refresh my thoughts, and definitely it will be helpful for their personal life. Thank you very much.
अब देखना क्या, कोई कहे तो सोचना क्या, है लक्ष्य मेरा, है वक्त मेरा, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी नहीं।
This is a very unique program. Here we learned about different forms of chakras, and each of the chakras that is representing different forms of energies within us, and how to channelize these energies to manage our personal as well as professional.
He's treating us from mythological to leadership.
पूरा नीडल इनके हाथ। तो होने दो।
और बताऊं,
हाँ,
I didn't feel any.
थैंक यू सर।
मैंने तो इस चीज को ऐसे लग रहा था कोई पूछ रहा है, उसके बाद नीडल कब गया मुझे मालूम नहीं।
फुल इनसाइड। इट्स ऑल इंटरनल ट्रस्ट सर। Whatever you did, I was carrying. feel that you don't have a regret, you don't blame anything, you don't have a guilt. With the yellow color, just say to yourself that determination, willpower, self-confidence, courage to execute all the other action. You don't blame who says what. You are absolutely free from this. किसने बेइज्जती करी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. किसने खलियान फजा में इज्जत निकाल दी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Because you were tied with your mission, something you want to do that. And just want to follow that, that's all. It wasn't only for loving that. Nobody can love yourself if you hate yourself. Love the way you are. And if you go, you're going to hate for that. Just simply love that.
This is a 2 days program actually, how to improve our confidence. We have experienced the walking on the glass as well as walking on the fire. This is a wonderful program, but the duration of this program is, we feel it's a very short duration. It should be increased and it should be included with the spouses also.
अब कल का सबर नहीं होगा, आज का जुनू अभी होगा. ऐसे उड़ा भर जाना है, बस कदम बढ़ाते जाना है. मंजिल को पास बुलाना है, मंजिल को पास बुलाना है लक्ष्य मेरा.
Program is giving the positivity to me and how to handle my department, my colleagues, my other subordinates, and it is very positive. I will recommend to my all juniors and also my colleagues to follow this program.
What a wonderful engagement. From morning 10 till now 9, full of energy, full to attack. It was wonderful. And the engagement was, you can imagine that nobody touched their mobile, nobody was roaming around here and there or left the room even for toilets. It was such a wonderful engagement. Thumbs up to the